So just now we calculate this is 3x squared minus, then 2 times 2 is 4, negative 4 times x, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. So that's it. Again, we got the multiplication, then we just copy the result to the bottom line. So we got now 6x squared minus 4 times x minus 6. Do the subtraction, 6x squared minus 6x squared got 0. Negative 3 minus negative 4 is negative 3 minus the negative 4, basically is negative 3 plus positive 4, so is 1 positive. And then x, so negative 12 minus negative 6 is negative 12 plus 6, which is negative 6. That's it. That's the end of the process, because now at the bottom we have only two terms, but the divisor we got 1, 2, 3 terms, and we have no terms left on the end. So that's the end of this process. That's the end of our long division. And finally, let's just check how, at the previous example, how can we read this result? This result just means, okay, let me copy. So it just means this division is equals to what? Equals to, first is a quotient, which is this in purple, negative x plus 2. Then plus a fraction. Oops. The fraction is, the denominator part is our divisor, and the numerator part is our remainder, which is 1 times x minus 6. Bad handwriting. Oops. Oh. Sorry. Here is minus 3. And here is our remainder, which is 1x minus 6. Came from here. So that's the end of the process. The long division just tells us, finally, yes. Oops. One second. Oh. Yes, it should. The record video will be available online for sure. And now the problem is, like, I use Zoom online record stuff, so basically it should functioning well, but I got some problem to re-download it. This time I record it to my local computer, and I still try to contact to Zoom team to get my previous record back. So hopefully they can fix it. So you will have like the lecture last week and also lecture this week uploaded like by this weekend, I assume. Sounds good? Great. Yes. Sorry for that. I didn't try it. They said they have like a pretty cool like cloud record now, but like it apparently don't work very well last week. So this week I just switched back to a records video to my local computer. But anyway, we will see. So that's it. That's actually all I want to talk about the long division stuff. So And because kind of long division is like it's like a brand new method for polynomials, which is not really used anywhere else. And of course, because this process is kind of complicated, so it's relatively harder than other new methods you will have in this part. But after all, it's just like an algorithm. You just remember how it works. Put your quotient, put your dividend and divisor at the right place, then put on the long division symbol, then start the process. Check the leading term, and then calculate the first term of the quotient, then calculate the product, do the subtraction, keep going, every time drop down one more bit, drop down one more term, and till the end. So that's it. That's how the long division works. And okay, so that's all I want to talk for today. Let's end our record.